Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Android notifications channels for Android 13 Plus, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Android notification channels for Android 13 and higher, start by unlocking your Android device. Navigate to the device's home screen. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Select the app for which you want to update notification channels. Once in the app settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see a list of notification channels linked to the selected app. Choose the specific notification channel you want to update. You can enable or disable notifications for that channel by toggling the switch at the top. To further customize notifications, explore options like sound, vibration, and pop-up. If available, tap on Advanced for more detailed settings. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied, press the back button to save your changes. Repeat the process for any other notification channels you'd like to update. After updating, exit the settings and return to your home screen. Your changes should now be in effect for the selected app's notifications. If you want to test the updated settings, send a test notification from the app. This process ensures that you have full control over how notifications appear on your device. You can always revisit the settings to make further adjustments as needed. Regularly updating your notification settings helps keep your device organized and personalized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.